Hi, my name's Leanne Spalding and I'm a qualified dental hygienist and dental therapist. I work at Southfields 2 days a week and I've been working alongside Chris for the last 17 years. My role as a dental hygienist is to educate and treat patients that have gum disease, ranging from mild gingivitis to advanced periodontitis, and to offer oral hygiene instruction so that they can maintain their gum health at home. I recommend that you brush for a minimum of 2 minutes twice a day, and we recommend electric toothbrushes. We then recommend that you clean in between your teeth, and we recommend that you do that at least once a day. And the best thing to use are little interdental brushes that look like these. You can expect a warm welcome, a caring, friendly team offering high quality dentistry, and we offer longer appointments to have much more time with our patients so we can cater for your individual needs.